check it out. Blue peafowl. Mr. Peacock is fanning his tail for Miss Peahen. Mr. Peacock's tail is not pretty, and Miss Peahen doesn't like it. Let's help Mr. Peacock become pretty. Mr. Peacock's feathers have fallen into the bushes. Let's look for them. Let's put on nice-looking feathers for Mr. Peacock. Great! Mr. Peacock won the heart of Miss Peahen. Wow! Miss Peahen has laid the eggs. Miss Peahen will build a nest for the peafowl eggs. Lots of materials are needed for nest building. Let's check out what Miss Peahen needs. Feather, leaf, soil. Miss Peahen also needs these materials: leaf, branch, feather. Let's make the nest soft and comfortable. Lay branches in the nest to make it secure. Lay feathers and leaves in the nest to make it softer. Little quiz! In the blue peafowl family, who builds a nest to take care of the eggs? Miss Peahen. Mr. Peacock. Awesome! You are right! In the peafowl family, only Miss Peahen takes care of the eggs. In the blue peafowl family, who has a short tail? Miss Peahen. Mr. Peacock. Awesome! You are right! Miss Peahen's tail is short and is not as beautiful as that of Mr. Peacock. Wow! You've got a nice sticker!